I am Ravichandran, PGT Commerce teacher, Shakthi International School. And I'm teaching class 11th and 12th accountancy subject. So in this small presentation, I would like to answer or provide a solution for the numerical question number 15, from NCERT, from partnership, admission of partner, from the concept of goodwill valuation. So let's move to the numerical question and solution part. So this is the question. The books of Ram and Bharat showed that the firm's capital on 31st December 2016 was is 5 lakh. The capital employed in the business is 5 lakh, and the profit for the last 5 years. So from the last year to the latest year to the starting year, they have given 2015 it is 40,000, 2014 it is 50,000, 2013 55,000, 2012 70,000, and 2011 82,000 profit. So this is the past 5 years profit they have given. Capital employed by the business is given. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase of average super profit of the last 5 years, assuming that the normal rate of return is 10%. So the data we have to have in our mind is the capital employed in the business is 5 lakh. The normal rate of return is 10%, and the average and the last 5 years profit is these things, and goodwill has to be calculated 3 years purchase on the super profit. Let's solve this question. So first we need to calculate the average profit. So the average profit, the formula is total of past 5 years profit divided by number of year, that is 5 year. So this is 2011 80,000, 12 70,000, and 13 55,000, 14 50,000, 15 40,000. The total profit for the past 5 years is 3 lakh. The number of years is 5. So therefore 3 lakh divided by 5, the average profit is 60,000. The average profit is 60,000. And the normal profit we have to calculate from the capital employed. It is the formula is capital employed in the normal rate of return divided by 100. Capital employed in the normal rate of return divided by 100. So normal profit here in this question, the capital employed is 5 lakh. The normal rate of return is 10%. So 5 lakh into 10 divided by 100. The normal profit is 50,000. So the average profit or actual profit is 60. The normal profit is 50. Super profit means average profit minus normal profit. So 60,000 minus 50,000, 10,000 is the super profit. And the goodwill is super profit into number of years of purchase. So in this question they have given goodwill is super profit into 3-year purchase. So 3-year purchase of goodwill is 3-year purchase of super profit as the firm goodwill. So 10,000 into 3. Sorry, goodwill is 10,000 into 3. 10,000 into 3. 10,000 into 3. Hope it is clear and simple. You all understood how to solve this question.